Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID and passcode missing in settings menu on iPhone and iPad in iOS 17. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the very first thing what you need to do is just simply open the settings menu on your device. On the settings page, swipe down to find screen time and tap on it. Under the screen time, swipe down to find content and privacy restrictions and tap on it. On the next menu, swipe down to find passcode changes and tap on it. Here, make sure passcode changes is allow. Now go back to the settings and check that if passcode option is showing or not. So you can see that after selecting the allow option, Face ID and passcode is showing now. That's it. Like and share this video before you go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.